Focus currently, the state government in Maharashtra has submitted a report on the trainee IAS officer Pooja Khedkar. This report has been submitted to the DOPT, this is the Department of Personnel Training. After a week-long probe, the state government's General Administration Department, headed by Additional Chief Secretary Nitin Garade, has submitted its report on Pooja Khedkar. A copy of this report has also been sent to a one-member committee that was formed by the central government, Manoj Dwivedi. Now, the report is a collection of documents that have been obtained from various agencies to test the veracity of various claims made by Ms. Khedkar before joining the services. My colleague Paras has been tracking the latest details for us. He joins us live at the moment. Paras, what details can you disclose to our viewers at the moment?
So I'll start with one of the most important thing in this entire report is that in this entire matter, the main document which has been submitted by the state government to the central government and the ODPT is that the election commission affidavit on her father, former civil servant Dilip Khedkar, state his net worth be rupees 40 crores which conducted. Pooja claims that the family annual income was less than 8 lakhs to enable her to avail OBC quota benefit and the certificate from the RTO stating that Pooja did not have a driving license. The report also mentioned her unruly behavior at the Pune collectorate where she was posted. The report also mentions that she has installed an amber beacon and state government logo on the Audi she was using to the work, and that she had a dispute with a senior official over the use of the Audi. The report also mentions that the time she spent in Pune and she claims the cabin of the additional collector Ajay More and use her personal car for office duty. The submitted report also mentioned the medical report that she has claimed that she is mentally disabled and she has problem with her eyes. So this is the entire report which has been submitted by the state government to the central government. Also a copy of this has been sent to central government. Plus with that, central government also is probing into this entire matter and has to submit the report in 2 weeks. So in this entire matter, trouble is mounting for Pooja Khedkar and family.
Thanks so much, Paras. Just before I let you go, just want to confirm, you mentioned her father's declared income was nearly 40 crore rupees and her declared income was 8 lakh rupees in order to make the cut for this job?
Right, correctly said that. So this has been mentioned in the report that in the election affidavit, her father has said that his net worth is 40 crores, which contradicts Pooja claims that the family annual income was less than 8 lakh rupees to enable her to avail OBC quota benefit.